Hey guys, it's your boy Lion GFX of Lion GFX Design Academy. I welcome you all to today's brand new episode of Photoshop Tutorial. Today we are going to be learning uh, more on Photoshop gradients. Like we're going to continue from where we've stopped from our previous series. The last tutorial we talked about how to edit and how to customize our, our gradients. So today we are going to learn how to add this customized gradients into our text when designing. So it's just something like this on the screen. So if you missed our previous tutorial, I urge you to go check it in the link. The link is on the description below, so go check it out so you can follow up with this brand new episode. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, before we start, I want to urge you, if you are on this channel for the first time, please, I urge you to please subscribe so that you can get notification of our next tutorial when it's been uploaded. So, and I urge you to please share these videos to people who might need it. Alright, let's get into business now. So firstly, let's create a new project. Here, go to new file. Okay, now make our size to be 1800 by 1800. It's just a sample. We don't need much drama. Okay, now you go to your text, which is the text tool. You either press T or you go here and click on it. Like you hold it first until this shows, then click on it and come here, write your text. Let's write night of mercy. Then we click on this checkbox, go to your move tool, click on your move tool, then you move this text there. You come to your text again. I want to reduce the size, click on it, press Ctrl A, then you come here and click on highlight it, press Ctrl A to highlight it, then reduce the size to like 50 and reduce it to any size you want to. Okay, you see now it's very small. Then let's increase the size a little bit by going to this place until you see the just come and put your mouse on this place, then you drag it to the right until it forms, until it gets to the size you want. Okay, then you release the button, then click on your move tool, move it. Alright, now after creating your text, then you come to your layer here, and you double click on this Night of Mercy layer, double click on it, so double click. Okay, now you double click on it, then you go to this place, click on your gradient overlay. Can you see that's already picked color? Then you can click on OK here, but before we click on OK, I want us to fine-tune this in this text to our own color. As you can see, it has already picked the gradient that's already in Photoshop. So I want us to edit it. If you missed my previous tutorials, I've said that go check it out. I talked about, like, I taught on how to design or edit your own text, your own gradients, make your own gradient. All right, now let's change this. Let's change this to like white, and let's see what happens. Okay, and you see, or we can change it to any color we want, maybe black. So that's just it. You can come here, then create your own new layers. Then we have create new layers, then you click on OK. You can change the style. Linear, you can make it radial. You can also make it angle, reflected. Can you see it's changing? You can make it diamond, then you can change the angle back to this. See, so that's just how to make a text gradient. And there is other way you can do it. I'll show you this other method or way you can apply it. Instead of double clicking, you can also come here and click on blending option. Wait for it to come out. And see, then you go to your gradient, then you do whatever you want, whatever you like here. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching this tutorial to this stage. Please help me beg you, share this tutorial. Share it to people who might need it, who wants to learn about gradients. Share it to them. And please, if you are here to subscribe, if this is your first time or you've been checking this page on this channel and you are here to subscribe, please subscribe so you can get notification anytime we upload any tutorial. All right, thank you, and God bless. Bye.